This video will explore how the Max effect strengthens budget efficiency. Schools often overspend on silos that fail to scale across staff. This includes disconnected programs, redundant tools, and one-off professional development. This fragmented spending creates systemic inefficiency. A single coherent instructional operating model can replace multiple incompatible systems. This consolidation allows you to stretch every dollar further. A single architecture, like the Max Effect single architecture, eliminates redundant purchases across curriculum, planning tools, evidence systems, and professional development. The old way involved fragmented purchasing, buying separate platforms, and overlapping planning, pacing, and assessment tools. The Max Effect offers one integrated toolset that replaces them all. Professional development becomes system-aligned and reusable, offering sustained, long-term growth, unlike isolated program PD that often fades after a year. Investments in curriculum, training, and technology apply to every teacher. This impacts the entire staff, not just a pocket of users tied to a specific program. Strategic AI drives down hidden costs and intervention overload. Teacher-facing AI reduces planning time and lowers demand for external consultants. Student-facing AI reduces external tutoring costs. The tangible impact on school budgets shifts the scale. Lower overhead is achieved through fewer platforms, licenses, PD contracts, and curriculum add-ons, increasing impact and value through more reusable materials, coherence, and budget efficiency. Spending maps directly to goals for reportable district impact. Max Effect ensures spending aligns perfectly with SPSA and LCAP goals, producing measurable outcomes. Leaders gain a massive reduction in financial waste. This is supported by predictable costs, scalable systems, and a unified instructional model. The fundamental budget truth is that Max Effect strengthens budget efficiency by consolidating instructional systems into a single coherent operating model. This ensures every dollar scales across the entire staff. Coherence saves money, and Max Effect makes it possible.